The largest living birds are truly fascinating. Take the common ostrich, for instance. These incredible creatures can weigh up to 346 pounds. That's heavier than some humans. Then we have the Somali ostrich, a subspecies that can reach up to 290 pounds. Both are flightless, but they make up for it with their impressive speed, running up to 45 miles per hour. And let's not forget the wandering albatross, which boasts the largest wingspan of any living bird, stretching up to 12 feet. Imagine soaring through the skies with wings that wide. While ostriches roam the African savannas, the albatross glides over the oceans, showcasing the incredible diversity of our planet's avian wonders.